Hello friends, welcome to channel Vigyan Wallet. Today I am presenting a topic in which I am going to remove your misconception in science regarding mass, gravity and air resistance. Right? So, dear friends, today I am here with the topic: is heavier objects fall faster than the lighter ones? So, how many of you give what kind of response? How many of you say कि heavier object falls faster than lighter ones? If your answer is yes, then it means your concept about mass, gravity, and air resistance is not clear. So here we have a topic where I'm going to brush up your concept on the mass, gravity, and air resistance, right? So here I'm taking an example. If I have a stone or I have a piece of paper, right? Both are onto the same height. If I throw them from the same height, which reach first on the ground? So there are the few things that you kept in your mind while answering this question. The first thing is related to the mass of object. Is mass of object play any role to reach on the ground? तो यहाँ पर मैं आपको ये क्लियर करना चाहूँगा कि जो मास है ऑब्जेक्ट का वो कोई भी रोल प्ले नहीं करता, नो रोल प्ले। वो आपको कैसे पता लगेगा, देखिए द एक्सेलरेशन फॉर्मूला इज gm/r², where g is the universal gravitational constant, m is the mass of the earth, and r is the radius of the earth. So from this formula your concept is going to be clear कि mass of the object do not affect onto the acceleration, right? So यहाँ से आपका ये कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाता है कि अगर हम हैवी ऑब्जेक्ट ले या हम लाइटर ऑब्जेक्ट ले और हम उसको सेम हाइट से थ्रो करते हैं तो दे विल रीच ऑन द सेम टाइम, on the same time. But generally what you are going to see, आप अपनी क्लासरूम में भी ये एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ टेकिंग अ पेपर or one crushed paper in which you are making a ball of the paper. If you are going to throw them from the same height, you see the paper is floating into the air, right? So that's why that floating paper reach onto the ground taking some more time as compared to the crunched paper from that you have prepared a bowl, right? So what factors affect that? कौन कौन से फैक्टर हैं जिसने उसको अफेक्ट किया? जो वो पीस ऑफ पेपर था, व्हाई इट कम्स लेटर onto the ground? बिकॉज ऑफ द एयर रेजिस्टेंस. जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है वो क्या है? एयर रेजिस्टेंस. बिकॉज if you are throwing the paper, so it comes into the contact of air, and there is air resistance present into the atmosphere, so that's why that paper comes later onto the ground, right? So this concept will be applicable where no resistance occur from the air, means no air resistance. Or you can say that if this experiment is performed in vacuum, right? If this experiment is performed in vacuum, then you see heavy object and lighter object reach the earth onto the same time. So if experiment is performed in vacuum, then heavier object and lighter object reaches at the same time. So I am also talking about the factors. Those factors who are affecting is size of the object, shape of the object, and surface area. So my dear friends, from the today's video you have a clear concept कि अगर हम लाइटर ऑब्जेक्ट या हैवियर ऑब्जेक्ट को अंडर वैक्यूम कंडीशन गिराएंगे फ्रॉम द सेम हाइट, तो दे विल रीच एट द सेम टाइम. मास ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट का कोई भी अफेक्ट हमारे एक्सपेरिमेंट में नहीं होता. वो लेट क्यों पहुंचता है? जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ एयर रेजिस्टेंस. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो गाइज. ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग मिसकंसेप्शन कंसेप्ट्स मैं फिर लेकर आऊंगा आप लोगों के पास. तो वॉच अस एंड बी join us with the help of subscribe our channel.